February 2020 will see the Singapore Airshow, Asia's largest airshow, take place from the 11th to the 16th of February at the Changi Exhibition Centre, Singapore. This biannual global event, comprising 4 trade days and 2 public days over the weekends of the 15th and 16th of February, is dedicated to the global aerospace and defence industries to showcase their latest products, as well as providing daily flying displays, a large aircraft static display and modern exhibition halls. This global event has a mixture of both civilian and military aerospace industries, showing a wide range of the latest fixed-wing, unmanned air systems and rotary-wing aircraft, together with the latest in aviation technologies. 2020 will expect to see over 54,000 trade and professional visitors, with over 1,000 exhibitors from over 50 countries, showcasing their latest products and innovations. As always, Jane's Defence and industry reporters and specialist subject editors will be providing daily news and in-depth analysis online, in hard copy, and providing video content covering this important global event.